Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. My name is Dawit, and today is going to be a short video on updating your old Traxxas Mini XRT body. I mean, we all know about this little opening here, that was released when this XRT was released, when this Mini XRT was released. So now Traxxas has gone ahead and made an update to this body. So this way, with the update, basically what it is that you eliminate this window and you create an opening up here. So it kind of resembles the XRT. You guys see how it looked now. The light kit here, you see the little opening in the front here and then the slit here. So when we're done, or this opening will no longer exist and there will be an opening up here. But I'm gonna keep this body stock so that we have something to compare to. So I guess first thing is we have to remove the window. There we go. There we go. Okay, remove the existing window. So now it looks like that. Now we're going to remove the roof skid. So you remove the 4 screws underneath to remove this piece here. You remove that. Now that's out of your way. Now you remove the back too. Remove these 2 screws here, and this should pop right out. So now this is out. Now when you take those out, this comes right up. No longer need this. So now you have your bare roof. So first thing we'll do is open this, and this is going to be your new windshield. This sticker here comes with this kit, which is the 10794. That's the part number. It includes the sticker for the window once you're done, and this piece here basically is what is going to cover that opening here that you have here. It's supposed to sit like this when it's all said and done. And then you put this sticker over it. So before we do that, let's see what the instruction manual says we should do. Just take this part here. You stick it out like that. They cut this part of the sticker out just so that it becomes like, I guess, an indicator, or gives you an idea how you should go about taping it. And then now the area you're supposed to remove is the slashed out area. See it, or like the ones with the lines on it. That's that part we have to cut out. Go ahead and start cutting. So that's where you have it. Let's cut it out. That's the area you're supposed to remove. So now you have this sticker. That sticker comes with the 10784 part number, which is the new light you need. So now you remove the other one and you stick this on. The reason why you need this is just to cut that little line right there. There's a little area here, there's a little black area here. That's all you need it for. So basically, you see where the wire is right there? That's what you cut out. That's about it. So in order to put this little plastic piece on, you just have to remove this one screw here for the front body clip, the one on this side here. This one here. Remove that body, that screw right there. Put this on, put the screw back in. I wouldn't tighten all the way down yet. We go ahead and run this through. Now we run the wire through this hole. You've slid the roof rack over. You run this through this hole, and on the roof. And then once you have this, you just kind of push this little guy over the new cover for the window. You push that over, and I screw it all together. So just to kind of show, see how the window is closed now. And now you have all of that. So now you have this space here. So you put that screw there, close off that window, and then you have your rest of your screws that you have to put on. when you put this back on, the holes should be facing the front. This is how it looks in the end. Well, not in the end, but before I put the sticker on. You see the piece that covers the window? That's your opening there now. Now we put this on to cover that little added piece that we just installed. I'll explain a bit why I'm taking everything back out. So I took this back out because when you stick it on, it goes over this roof skid. So I want to unscrew it just so that I can get the sticker to go underneath it. I tried my best not to have that line, but you can still see that line there. There's nothing you can do to really hide it, you know. So what happened is I installed everything and I tried to stick it on after. But what ends up happening is on the very edge of this part of the roof skid, the sticker sits on top of it. So you have to unscrew this so you can put the sticker down. But when you unscrew it, you also have to unscrew the screw here, which then basically causes this little window cover to drop down. By dropping down, it creates a gap here. So I tried my best. To do it, but I mean, overall, it's not too bad. But yeah, so that's it. That is it. Definitely prefer this, the new look. You be the judge. So you tell me which one you prefer. I definitely prefer the new look. Honestly, I was thinking about just cutting the whole window out. That's what I was thinking of doing. But I think I like this new look. Definitely like the new look. It looks similar to the XRT. So now they actually look a lot more similar design. So yeah, I definitely like this look better, but I don't think there's any much difference in lighting. I don't know, you'd see a real difference there. Oh. Oh, actually, yeah, it looks better. Look at it. I don't know if you can really see it, but I mean, from the light standpoint, really can't really tell the difference. But to me, it looks much better. Not seeing that little opening there, it looks way better. So this is going to be my basher body. Initially, this truck was supposed to be a shelf queen, but not anymore. But yeah, so that is it. It's a fairly easy upgrade, and so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Goal was to make a really quick video on how to go about upgrading your Mini XRT body. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, and if you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.